All right, today we're learning about calendaring, and we're going to work in our Google Calendars. Every single one of you already has one. You may not know about it. The way you're going to find your calendar is on a main Google page like this. You're going to come up to your waffle, and you're going to select Calendar. And then the calendar that you already have, since you have a Google account, is going to pop up. Okay? The very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come to this area over here where it says My Calendars, and you're going to create a new calendar. And this calendar is going to be called Calendar Practice. Okay? So you're going to click on that plus button, and then you're going to click Create New Calendar. And this is going to be called Calendar Practice. Okay? And then you're going to click on Create Calendar. It actually takes a moment to create your calendar. In fact, I'm going to pause this while it creates it. Now that my calendar is created, I'm going to change the color. I don't really like that yellow color, so I'm going to click on these little three dots, and I'm going to change it to purple. Okay? I want you to do the same thing, but you can choose any different color that you want to. Alright, so simple. We created a new calendar. That is our first task.